Welcome back to today's manga of the day. So let's give that manga randomizer a spin. And today's manga of the day is I'm a Wolf, but My Boss is a Sheep. I'm a Wolf, but My Boss is a Sheep was published in February of 2022. It currently has 4 volumes out, with its 5th volume coming out in October of 2024. The genre would be considered romantic comedy / fantasy, and it's rated T for teen. Now let's take a closer look at the different volumes. So, what'd you guys think? Something you might want to pick up? Want to know more about this manga? Are you guys enjoying this series? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you guys are enjoying this, please hit that like button and follow for more. It does help. We are trying to hit that 1,000 follower mark so we can start doing live streams. Thank you everybody for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.